Hi guys, time for our maths lesson today. Okay, now we should know now guys, what does this sign mean? Okay, so we know it can mean plus, it can mean addition, so we're going to be adding numbers together. So we've got the plus sign, and then just above my head, what sign is it? We've got the equal sign. Now, I was going to tell you what our lesson is about today, but that'll be giving away some of the answers. But you'll soon find out, okay? Because we're going to be adding some numbers together to make another number. But we're going to be adding up different numbers, but the answer might be the same. There's a little bit of a clue, okay? So, I'm going to do some sums. I hope you can join in at home, guys, okay? So, first I'm going to need to choose a colour. I'm going to choose red. So I'm going to show you my first sum, and I've got some blocks to help us with the answers, okay? So, let's start with a bit of an easy one to start with. So I've got 5 plus 5 equals. So I've got my 5 blocks. Okay, one. Let me show you in a minute, guys. So I've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5. But guys, I need to plus another 5. I think some of you guys will have got the answer already. So the first one is going to be oopsie-daisy. Okay, then I've got my other 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know I'm going to put them together. And we've got 5 plus 5 equals, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, we've done our first one. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, very, very good. Next one. Now I'm going to choose a different colour. We've got our plus, and we've got our equal, so I'm going to choose yellow. And this time, boys and girls, we're going to do 6 plus 4 equals, okay? So I'm going to need to do 6 blocks plus 4 blocks equals how many blocks, okay? So easy. So I've got my 6 blocks to show you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I've got my 6 blocks. And here I've got my 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to put them together to see how many does it equal. 6 plus 4 equals, maybe you can count with me guys, count with the colours. 6 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see that, guys? 6 plus 4 always also equaled 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. You see where we're going with this, guys? Time for our next one. So I've got my plus, I've got my equal. I'm going to choose the colour blue. This time, I'm going to do 7 plus 3, okay? So 7 plus 3 equals, I wonder how many? Okay, so I've got my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I've got my 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. If I put them together, how many do you think we're going to have, guys? 7 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see that, guys? We made another way to make 10. We also did 7 plus 3 equals Okay, let's see how many more we can do. So, I've got my plus, I've got my equals. I'm going to choose the color orange. This time I'm going to do 8 plus 2 equals. I think some of you might know the answer. Let's see. So, I've got my 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here, I've only got 2. I've got my 2 blocks. If I put them together, how many do you think we've got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it again. Now 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, we've got 2 more to go. Next, guys, I've got my plus, I've got my equals. I'm going to choose pink. I've got 9 plus 1 equals, I go a little bit faster now. How many? So, I've got 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then here I've got 1. 9 plus 1 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again. So now we know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay? I'm going to do one more, which is probably the easiest one, guys. Okay? So I've got my plus, I've got my equals. I'm going to choose the color red. We've got 10 plus 0 equals, so I've got 10 blocks plus 0 blocks. I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. Okay, so 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay, so that was our maths lesson today. Something called number bonds, of different way we can add different numbers to make 10. So we'll go through them. 10 plus 0 equals, 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And 5 plus 5 also equals 10. Okay, so that's our math lesson today, guys. I've got a game for you to play and some work to do. Okay, so it was our number bonds, a different way to make 10. Okay, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye bye.